part 2 of slices for Arena 4D plugin into Rhinoceros 5, 6 and 7, here shown in 6, 2-point slice. So if I select front view and add a slice, you can see that the slice isn't going through the data as I necessarily would hope. So this point cloud data is not aligned to the construction plane, or I haven't created a construction plane for this data. So what we can do is, if I go to front view, I'm going to turn that slice off to declutter the screen, select 2-point slice, and I'm going to draw on the data. I get 2 points to add, and there's a line to show us, and there we are. Now that's moved that slice to move perfectly with our data. The slice is a normal slice, so you can perform all the operations that you may have seen in previous videos. Other features we have here is we can position the slice. So the slice is currently just here where I've left it there, but I can click this here, position slice, so select, click on the screen where I'd like the slice to be, and it moves promptly straight to there. So that's very useful if you wanted to move slice, say if you had a very huge point cloud, you may be able to just position it straight onto the edge there rather than having to drag it, etc, etc. Other features we have here, we have position slice between 2 points. So here we have a ½ meter point cloud, slice. But if I select here, this slice is selected, so important you have the correct slice selected. Position between 2 points, so I'm going to go from here to here. Now we have a big slice. Other things you may wish to do, you can align to curve, so it could be a hull of a boat, for example. I'm going to draw a curve on here, so let me just highlight that for you. So here we have a nice curve on the point cloud, as you can see. So select the slice of interest here and unselect the line we have. So the curve I've created, unselect that, click align to curve, correct slice is selected, align to curve, and then select the line we drew. So there it is there. So now if I drag this slice, you can see it slices along that curve. Very, very useful if you don't have if your point cloud goes around corners, etc. Very, very neat way of doing it. Now you can actually draw straight lines. So I did show you the 2-point slice, but I could actually draw a polyline on here. There it is, which is a straight edge. And I can actually click the align to curve on that, so the correct slice is chosen. I'm going to click align to curve, make sure the line is turned off, clicked, select the line. Now that slice goes up and down against that line. So again, if you have straight edges and you haven't changed your construction plane or aligned the data, you could use align to curve and draw straight lines. Another feature is vector and outline. One produces a vector based around the center of the data it can see, and one around the outline of the data it can see. So what I'll do here is I'll just create a slice, a top view slice here, turn the other ones off. As you can see here, I have some of the pipe work from this pump here. I'm just going to remove these 2 lines that get in the way. So once you're happy with your position of your slice, make it full screen, and then just simply click vector, and you can see it's created the best it can some vector drawings of the point cloud there. So if I just delete those, I'll do outline. Very good looking results there. So what I could do is, if I go to point clouds and turn them off, you can see there's Rhino vector drawings which you could manipulate further. You could select those, and in Rhino you could export selected and select, so you could export them into different formats, the ones you wish. So you could load them, say, into AutoCAD, OBJ, etc. That's for you to choose. Just put that back. So that shows you, and you can see here also on the views you've got where it's done those vectors. So that's some automated way of doing some of your drawings.